everyone, this is Aisha of Decor Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am participating in Tablescape Tuesdays. The theme for today is Pinkalicious. Alright, so I'm going to be looking at my phone to make sure I get everything right. Alright, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethsyt Adventures. The guest host is myself, Decor Designs by Aisha, and Tablescape by Candy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the tablescape that I have set up. This tablescape can be this would be absolutely amazing for a girls brunch. Alright, and so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright. Alright, so I've added a beautiful black and white tablecloth, as you see here, the black and white striped tablecloth, which I feel sets this tablescape off absolutely amazing. I have the beautiful pink flower arrangement that I put here in the middle of the table. I have the rose gold and pinkish charger plates, as well as the black napkins with the totally dazzle napkin rings. I have the rose gold candle holders with the pink candles on top. And as you see, everything is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said before, this will be gorgeous for a girls brunch or an elegant tablescape or a table setting.